Physics says nothing with mass can hit light speed. But let's break that rule. Just for a minute. Picture this. Your everyday sewing needle, the one you use to fix jeans. Now, imagine it screaming through the void at 299,792,458 meters per second. Tomorrow, at lunch, it spears down over Times Square. The punch? Roughly 3 Tsar bombas crammed into a pinhead. Einstein would call foul. Relativity says the faster you go, the heavier you get, until mass approaches infinity. Light speed is for photons, not needles. So we cheat. 1 gram of steel. Speed of light, no drag, no relativistic inflation. A needle with a vendetta. That's Heartbeat, one of our nightmares. Let's press play. The needle passes through Earth like a ghost in tree above Manhattan. Exit below, the Indian Ocean, 42 milliseconds later. The tunnel it leaves is thinner than a hair, but the shock front is catastrophic. Particles are flash plasma hotter than the sun's core. New York, here's a crack, like the sky itself just snapped. Seismographs spike worldwide. But the skyline, still standing. No crater, no fireball, just a neat pinhole through mantle and core. Earth limps away, muttering, that stung. Now it stops, dumping its energy into Times Square. 1 gram at light speed unleashes 4.5 joules. That's triple the Tsar Bomb V, the biggest bomb humans ever built. Broadway, vaporized. Skyscrapers vanish in a blinding flash. Within 7 kilometers, everything is gone. Windows shatter in Boston. The mushroom cloud towers into the stratosphere, dragging dust that dims the East Coast for weeks. Millions dead in minutes. Yet Earth shrugs. Plates shift by millimeters. The day shortens by a microsecond. Civilization reels, but the planet spins on. The needle keeps going straight to the core and dumps its energy there. 4.5 quadrillion joules erupt inside 6,000-degree iron. A superplasma bubble forms, pressure spiking in a cubic centimeter. The result, a chain reaction. Fault lines slip all at once. 10,000 magnitude 10 quake. Tsunamis taller than towers race around the world. Supervolcanoes erupt in chorus, spewing sulfur and ash. The sky turns into a red bruise. Photosynthesis halts. Oceans acidify. Within months, the food chain collapses. Humanity becomes a footnote, clinging to bunkers until the air itself poisons. This isn't just impact, it's a planet-wide reset button. Deep breath. Reality check. At even 99.999% of light speed, air resistance would vaporize the needle long before impact. It would streak across the mesosphere as harmless plasma. Real cosmic killers are big. Not fast the Chicxulub asteroid ended. The dinosaurs not by speed, but by weight. Still, velocity is the multiplier. Double speed, quadruple damage. Light speed, it breaks the math. If your brain's still in freefall, smash, subscribe, more impossible disasters drop every week. And tell me, which scenario keeps you awake at night, the ghost sting? The city eraser or the planet killer? 1 gram, 1 city, 1 planet scale is everything. For comparison, the 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor weighed 12,000 tons and exploded at half a megaton. That was enough to rattle windows and injure 1,500 people. Our needle. It's a trillionth of that mass, but traveling so fast, it carries 20,000 times more energy. That's the lesson. Size doesn't always matter. In physics, speed is the ultimate weapon. Earth versus 1 lightspeed needle ends with 3 doors, a ghost sting that leaves a pinhole scar, a city vaporized in a single flash, or a core strike that resets the planet entirely. It shocks us not because it's real, but because it shows how fragile our blue marble really is when cold cosmic math gets involved. Einstein's laws forbid it, but our imagination just ran the experiment anyway. Sleep tight.